So this month of April, I decided to start a journey of $1,000 growing my $1,000 trading capital. I started a challenge, and along the line, I decided to split that $1,000 into two. So I used $800 to go get a 𝗘𝗲𝗙 funded account of 100K, which actually failed. And I've made videos showing you why I failed that account. And the remaining $200 was what I deposited into my own Bybit account and started trading with. And my overall win rate for this month is about 70%. So with a $200 trading capital, I'm up by some money on that account. And right here, you can see on the long position, my win rate for long positions alone, all the long positions that I took throughout this month, my win rate for that is about 75%. And for all of the short positions that I took this month, my win rate for that is about 52%. And I'm down with about $26 on that. So in all, right, what I made this month with a $200 trading capital is just $50 alone. And here are a few things that I want you to equally learn from, which is what I'm going to correct right now, because next month I'm starting a new challenge entirely, both on my account and then another pro firm account. I've gotten another 100K funded account, which I'm actually trading. And I realized that this month alone, I took more trades. Okay, I took a lot of trades, 129 trades in total. And at the end of the day, there is no result to show for that. Just, $50 profit at the end of this 1 month. So I was taking more trades than I should have, okay, than making profit rather, right? You can see that 102 trades and then 102 long trades and then 27 short trades. And out of this, all of this, my win rate is just 70%, which is a good thing. Win rate is 70%. And another thing that I learned here is that my risk to reward ratio was not consistent. Okay. My risk to reward ratio. Remember the video I made about, understanding your winning streak. If you use consistently, if you are on a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, you consistently make profit, right? With a 70% win rate, you are already a profitable trader. So what I want to do going forward is to reduce the amount of trades that I take, and this will mean that I'm going to be trading with higher time frame this time around, not the 5 minutes, the 15 minutes time frame, because from the look of things, out of 129 trades, it was just a waste of time if at the end of the month with a $200 capital, I'm coming out with just $50 profit. So that's just a waste of time for me. So I want to take less trade and take more of high probability trades than just taking trades every now and then. So it means for those of you who are following me, you need to bear with me, because I may not be sharing signals every now and then, because I want us to get high probability trades that will end up in profit, not just taking trades, okay? Not just taking trades randomly. And some of the tokens that I traded this month, actually, I traded a lot of tokens, but some of them that gave me money, Altcoin, Solana, ARK, and all of that, you can see here. Okay, you can see the list of all of the trades I took, and Solana was, I think Solana was the best trade that I took. And if I continue to go to the next page, I will see all of the tokens that I traded and all of the profit that I made for this month. But the overall right here, guys, is that at the end of the day, my win rate is 70%, and I'm ending up this month with just $50. All right, $50. It is something, because I believe some persons who started this journey actually got liquidated before the half of the month and all of that. But I can do better, right? I can do better. So look out for what will come out next month. I took a lot of trade this month, but next month I want to reduce that. I've already gotten a funded account, the 100K funded account, and I'm equally going to continue with the $250 that I have on this account. So while I'm trading the funded account, I will equally be trading this account as well. So be on the lookout. And if you want to join us, make sure you join us using the link on my bio or in the video description. Join us on Telegram. We share a whole lot of free signals there. We share a whole lot of live trading sections, a whole lot of educational content that you can benefit from. So use the link in the video description or my bio to join us on Telegram and be a part of the community. And I bet you that you never regret it. So if you are getting value from the video, make sure you smash that like button. If you are new, you're welcome. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that whenever we publish new videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. That is it for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.